I never had a mother, hardly knew my dad. Been in town for 18 years. You're the only friend I had, and I'm going away. Maybe I'll come back again someday. Hey people, Arian Smith here. This is your next lesson, Baby Don't Go by Sonny and Cher. So let's get started. First, I want to clear up something. My last video of how to play the piano wrong the right way, I was calling these root notes when that's actually a chord. There's your root note right there. Yeah, so that's root. That's a root chord. There's root chords. These are chords. Once you get three notes together, it's a chord. So that's I wanted to clear that up. When I say a root note, it's the first note of the chord. So there that is. Another thing I wanted to show you is there it is, your major inversion chart. They're real easy to find. I think I got these off Pinterest. So that's your major inversion chart that you want. So you want to practice these chords and the flats or sharps, whatever one you call it. Practice them and play them. It'll be a lot easier when the songs become more advanced. So that's a major inversion chart. And then you got your minor. There's your minor inversion chart. You want that. And they don't have to be exactly like mine, just as long as you got them and can practice on them. So there you go. That's the things you need. So let me get my keyboards up here again. And let's get started with Baby Don't Go. Okay, here we go. Since the left hand is a lot harder, it's going to be a little bit trickier, much trickier than the right hand. I'm going to start with the right hand. So there we go with inversion. There's your root chord, first inversion of C, and your second inversion of C chord. So like I told you in the other video, 90% of the time I'll be playing C this way. So this song has got a C in it. Starts with a G, C, and E. It's got that in it. And then it's got a D minor. So D minor. It's got the A, D, F. And that's inversion 2. Because here it is. There's the root chord, inversion 1, inversion 2. There you go. These are only two chords that's in the song. C and D minor. C and D minor. So it goes like this. I never had a mother, hardly knew my dad. Been in town for 18 years. You're the only friend I had, and I'm going away. Baby, I'll be back again someday. Baby, don't go. Pretty baby, please don't go. I love you so. Pretty baby, please don't go. See, there you go. The right hand only has two chords. Two chords. The whole song just got two chords. So it's got the C, second inversion, and it's got the D minor, second inversion. Get you a chart and look at it. So it's got the C, D minor. Okay, now we're going to start with the left hand, which is much more trickier. So the left hand goes like this. It goes like this. So you're going. Never had a mother, hardly knew my dad. Been in town for 18 years. You're the only friend I have, and I'm going away. Maybe I'll come back again someday. Oh. Baby, don't go. Pretty baby, please don't go. Now you get the picture. I love you so. Pretty baby, please don't go. So it goes like this. And make sure you look at the keyboard above, because you really can't tell what my hand's doing. Look at the keyboard above and always look at the notes. Get used to that. It'll work so much better for you. Say, I'll slow it down a little bit. Okay, now we're going to try both hands. So just take it time and repeat it or whatever, but you just got to keep going over it to get it. It'll sound so much better with both hands. So here we go. I never had a mother, hardly knew my dad. Been in town for 18 years. You're the only friend I have, and I'm going away. Maybe I'll be back again someday. Baby, don't go. Pretty baby, please don't go. I love you so. Pretty baby, please don't go. You know what? That's a whole song right there. I'm pretty sure, I haven't heard it in a while, but I'm pretty sure there ain't no big wild lead breaks in Sonny and Cher here. But that's the whole song. It's just getting your voice with it. There's that one part that goes out. Baby, don't go. Maybe I'll come back again someday. So it's just like getting your voice with it right there. But that is the whole song. So just keep practicing with it and learning it. Now I'm going to start something new. At the end of the video here, I'm going to give you a sample, short sample of your next lesson, but I'm not going to give you the 5 sample songs of songs in the future. So I'm going to keep it because I want to keep popping out these videos. So we're getting ready to. We're going to go ahead and go to your a sample of your next lesson, which is similar. It's the same kind of style of Sonny and Cher here, but it's got a lot more chords in it, so it's advanced. So we're going to move up. So here we go. And it's called Mountain of Love by Johnny Rivers. It goes like this. Standing on the corner looking down from the city, the way I feel is a doggone pity. Moonlights are shining on the mountain top. Wedding bells are ringing, that should have been us. That's why I'm so lonely, heading on to love, high on the mountain of love. So there's your next lesson. The Mountain of Love by Johnny Rivers. And there you go. Till next time.